Let's talk about something you might not see coming: combustible dust explosions. It may sound surprising, but materials like sugar flower wood dust or even metal shavings can become extremely dangerous under the right conditions. Here's the deal. Any combustible material can burn rapidly when it's in a finely divided form. If that dust gets suspended in the air at just the right concentration and there's a source of heat or spark, it can explode. Even materials that don't normally burn in solid form like aluminum or iron can become explosible in dust form. The results can be devastating. In 2010, a titanium dust explosion in West Virginia killed 3 workers. In 2008, a sugar dust explosion in Georgia killed 14 and injured dozens more. And between 1980 and 2005, the U.S. Chemical Safety Board identified 281 combustible dust incidents. Those led to 119 worker deaths, 718 injuries, and widespread destruction of industrial facilities. This isn't just a rare hazard, it's happening across industries, and it's often preventable. So what kinds of dust are we talking about? The list is long. Food products like candy, sugar, spices, starch, flour, and animal feed. Grain and tobacco. Plastics, wood, paper, and rubber. Pesticides, dyes, and pharmaceuticals. Coal and metals like aluminum, magnesium, zinc, chromium, and iron. These dusts show up in industries like agriculture, chemical manufacturing, or pharmaceutical production, furniture and textiles, power generation, recycling, metalworking, including additive manufacturing and 3D printing. So how do we prevent a dust explosion? It starts with understanding the dust explosion pentagon, the 5 elements needed for a dust explosion. Fuel, combustible dust. Oxygen from the surrounding air. Heat or ignition source. Dispersion. The dust is suspended in air. Confinement, an enclosed space that allows pressure to build. When all 5 are present, a simple spark can trigger a devastating explosion. Prevention steps include regular cleaning to avoid dust buildup, proper ventilation and dust collection systems, grounding equipment to avoid static discharge, eliminating ignition sources in dusty environments, training workers on combustible dust hazards and safe practices, conducting hazard assessments to identify risks before they turn deadly. Combustible dust may be small, but the danger is very real. Understanding the risks and taking the right steps can save lives and prevent catastrophic damage. Stay alert, stay informed, and always take dust hazards seriously.